It's a quick little video on prepping the valve cover gasket connection, or whatever you want to call it. And on this is on the Nissan 4.0 V6 Frontier. It's a 2007. This is something I want to show you. Okay, I've already cleaned it off pretty good. You see all the way around. That's where the gasket's going to go. And I got it over here. This right here is something you want to make sure you get off, because imagine when I put that gasket on, if it's not sitting on there correctly, flat, and then when I tighten my screws down, my bolts down, it's going to have a leak right there. So you want to watch things like that. So make sure you get stuff like that off here, and make sure it don't fall in the motor. Make sure, like right there, if you look down in here, where's that? Right down there, it's kind of some slithers down there, which I blew. That's another thing, you want to blow the motor off really good, get all the sand and stuff off the top and off and out of here, down in here, before you take the cover off. That way trash don't fall in your motor. You don't want certain things dropping in your piston, and you scar your pistons and you got another big job. So anyways, I'm going to get that little bit of debris out of there. Take my blower, which is I showed you guys in another video. Just hook it to a compressor, and then this thing will actually, see that, see how good it works. See that? Now it might have blew over here, so I might spray a little oil out of the motor. I don't care. I'm just going to make sure this thing's cleaned out, like right there. Can you see it right here? I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bit of debris just now fell on that. That's your piston down in there. So I'm going to spray all this out. I'm going to get it all polished up. Make this thing look like it never had oil in it. That's what I'm going to do. Maybe you don't have to do it, but I'd like to do things above and beyond. So